Here's how to make your PC faster using 5 safe and easy fixes. No extra software needed. Let's get started. Fix number 1. Apps that start automatically can slow down your PC before you even begin using it. First, right-click the taskbar, then click Task Manager. If it opens in compact view, click More Details. Now open Startup Apps. Here you will see programs that start when Windows boots. Focus especially on apps with high startup impact. Right-click any app you don't need at startup and click Disable. This doesn't uninstall the app, it only stops it from slowing down startup. Fix number 2. Over time, Windows stores temporary files that can take up space and slow things down. Freeing up disk space helps Windows run smoother overall. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage. Click Temporary Files. You can check all items here, but leave downloads unchecked. As you can see, total selected is 21 GB. Now click Remove Files and continue. It may take a while depending on the amount of files there, so be patient. If you want Windows to handle this automatically, you can also enable Storage Sense in the same menu. Fix number 3. Your web browser is often one of the biggest performance drains on your PC. Too many tabs and extensions can slow down your entire system. Open your browser and close the tabs you're not actively using. Quick tip, you can use mouse wheel click to close the tabs faster. After you're done, then open your browser's extensions page. Disable or remove extensions you don't use or don't really need. Fewer extensions means less background memory usage. Fix number 4. Some apps continue running in the background even when you're not using them. Stopping unnecessary background apps frees up memory and CPU. Open Settings, go to Apps, then click Installed Apps. Click the 3 dots next to the app you basically never use. Select Advanced Options, find Background App Permissions, and set it to Never. Repeat this for apps you don't need running all the time. Fix number 5. Power mode controls how Windows uses your hardware. Setting it to best performance allows your PC to respond faster. Open Settings, go to System, then Power. Under Power mode, select Best Performance. On laptops, this can use more battery, so keep that in mind. Those were the 5 main fixes. But before you go, here are 2 quick bonus tips that can make even bigger difference, especially on slower or older PCs. Bonus tip number 1. Windows uses animations and visual effects that can make your PC feel slower. Open Settings, go to System, then About. Now Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. First, choose Adjust for Performance and then choose Custom. Make sure these options stay enabled. You can safely turn off the other animations. Then click OK. This keeps Windows looking good while improving overall responsiveness. Bonus tip number 2. Make sure your main drive isn't almost full. For best performance, try to keep at least 20% free on your main drive. Windows needs some free space to run smoothly and efficiently. So just to recap, disable startup apps, clean temporary files, reduce browser tabs and extensions, stop unnecessary background apps, and set power mode to best performance. And that's it, your PC should now feel faster and more responsive. If this helped, you can support me on Buy Me a Coffee. Here's the next video for you.